ho ho ho. Okay guys, I'm sorry, so the video stopped because I put that ad. That's why I was like, no. Right, so I had to do another one. So this is part 2. I got more energy, so I have enough for one more attack. Let me check if I can upgrade. All these are really already upgraded. That one, I'll just wait. I already have that one. I'm trying to upgrade like other type cats. Like I have Swordman Cat and Artist. This one, this one, this one. I'm trying to look for a really cheap one so I can upgrade a lot. I'll upgrade this one. I can't upgrade nothing else. Oh no. Can I upgrade any of these now? No. Alright. Well, that was worth it. I'm almost close to 300, so that's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, a shark. I mean an alligator. Let's see. Whoa, that was pretty quick that they sent us. Let's get one of these. I feel like this is gonna be a harder round because they immediately started with an alligator, so it is gonna be a hard round. Every time one of theirs comes out, I'm gonna put one of mine. Oh shoot. Okay, not anymore. I have to put a red one now because, or do I have to first? I have to put a red one now because there is a seal, and those are like impossible to kill. Hardest cat. Okay guys, I'm confident that this will be hard. That's why I'm confident. Alright. I can fire at him. And I won! I won, guys! Yay! I fell a lot of people, that's why. But now what? Now I'm just like with no energy. So it's kind of like, alright, what do I do now? Let's see Gamatoto. He hasn't been on an expedition. What's wrong with you, Gamatoto? Let's send him for 6 hours. Alright, let's see these guys. I don't know what these are for, but I'm like, don't always know stuff, so I'm just kind of like, Gamatoto barely got me any stuff. Like, I need all these stuff for me to be able to make Gamatoto, or to make these guys a house. That's better. But like, how if Gamatoto don't bring me stuff? These are my little workers. Assistant to Cat Base's chief engineer. Leaves forever after project cancellation. What? Okay, I have 3 little engineers. Let's see our menu, enemy guide. I saw the seal. Let's see. Piggy Red loves going to tanning salon. That's why her skin is red. Born organic free ranch farm. Jackie Peng, Gory, Baba. This is the one that was in our city. Came to the big city from quiet seaside. Wanted more attention, so dyed his body red. I could see that. Croco. He was saved by Dundee. Infatuated with correspondent learning and managed to obtain several qualifications. World Processing Cert, 2nd class. Okay. Let's see. Wait, what? What is this for? Please tell me this is not for the 300 because I also really need this. Let's see. Oh, no, I don't need this. Yeah, I don't need this. 400 cat food. This would be cool. I do have the money, but not by credit card. Like, I would buy the first one that's $5 for 160 cat food. And I'd buy the second one too, but for 400 cat food, but I would not buy the third one because it's too expensive for me because I don't have money. A lot of money. I only have like nothing right now. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to do another game, make sure to comment down below and tell me. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.